This whole last month, I've been waking up feeling like awful. My neck hurts, my upper back hurts, but mostly my lower back hurts. It honestly felt like I was in the 3rd trimester of my pregnancy. I actually have a really big surprise for Nick, and it's something we've been talking about for a while, but he has no idea about it. The timing just happened so perfectly that he was gone. Before he left, we flipped our mattress hoping that that would help, but I have a better solution for our problem. This is so exciting. Wow. First impressions, that was so much easier than when we brought that mattress into our room. Alright, so if you guys have not heard of Lull, where have you been? Just kidding. Lull is a luxury brand mattress, and it's all under $1,000. We got this king size here. I'm so excited to unroll it here in a second. What it does is it shows up at your door in a box. It's super, super easy to set up, and it gives you all the right amount of support. So I'm really looking forward to this helping out my back and Nick's back and overall our sleep. If you don't get a good night's sleep, then everything else is probably gonna suck. So let's do this. Can we all take a moment and recognize that I got the old mattress out by myself? Thank you. Now for the easy part. There it is. It's all vacuum pack sealed in there, so when I cut it open, it'll just go poof. Looks like one of those Swiss roll things that you used to get in your lunchbox at school. So you can put this on bed springs, you can put this on the floor, you can put that on like a platform. We have the box springs from our old mattress, so I'm gonna keep that and then just put this on top of it. Pretty much it, and that was so easy. I did it by myself. When I opened it, guys, it did this big, the most satisfying sound. My handprint. We can make mattress angels. So it is still inflating, but Emerson wanted to join in on the fun, and she's so excited. Our very first impression, what are you looking at? It's you in the mirror of the mattress. Ready, baby? Ooh, whoa, so much nicer than the last one. This is only done like halfway and I love it. Let's see if this is Emerson approved. Is it Emerson approved? Like it has the right amount of bounce, but it's firm enough, but it's not too soft. So I'm going to put everything back on the bed, and then when Nick gets home, we're gonna see if he notices that I changed anything. Can you sing mommy a lullaby? Also, guys, I want to mention that working with Lull has been completely incredible. They have been so nice. They have done everything super, super quickly. It was so easy to work with them. It was so easy to set this up. If you guys don't like it, there's a 100-day return policy. So if you don't like it, you have 100 days to decide that. So if you guys want to try out your Lull mattress, reminder, it is a luxury mattress, but it's under $1,000, which is really hard to beat. They gave me $50 off to give to you guys, which is great. So I'll put the link below to that. So pretty that I'm almost sad to cover it back up. Oh, I can't think of a better word to describe it other than cozy. So Nick is almost home. He just called me. He's on his way home. And she just keeps saying, Dad, 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 Dad. Dada's coming home. Dad, Dada's coming home. Dada!
is it lower? What'd you do? Is this a new mattress?
Maybe. It just came in the mail the other day.
Oh, it's so soft.
Surprise!
That's awesome.
It's super cozy.
United and it feels so good. She's like, Dad, why not?
Daddy's home. He's home.
There were no babies at the conference. There were no babies at the conference.